Listen, whoever you are. No one can control the symbiotes. No one!
I need not control the symbiote, Spider-Man.
Doc Ock?
We will work as one. 'Tis a new world. Humanity needs the skills that my technology will give them. Symbiosis is the only way.
I should have known a reformed Doc Ock.
You will never get past my barrier, Spider-Man.
He's right. Some way to draw power away from his shield. Yes, his shield is drawing power from his. I still need to draw more power.
Whatever you are trying is useless, Spider-Man.
What more should we? That's it. Time to pay the piper, Ock. Uh-oh. Looks like the shield is regenerated. Golden.
This way.
One down, one to go. Wonder how Venom's doing. Eddie, are you all right? Talk to me. Wake up, Brock. What'd you say? That's a sonic bubble in the middle of the room. Seeing as how the only two things that symbiotes hate are fire and sonics. Because it's automated, this negates Carnage trying to double cross him.
What color do you bleed? Spider-Man.
Take that, Carnage! Sonics. Endlessly automated just in case Carnage tried to double-cross him.
What color do you bleed? Spider-Man.
You can't... You got weird in my life the last time, Carnage. You can't...